Journaling can change your life and has many proven benefits, which we shared in our previous video. So if you're ready to get started with journaling, keep listening for our top 5 steps. Step 1. Choose your journal and pen. This could be a physical or digital journal, or you could use a mix of both. Each has its benefits. There has been some scientific research to suggest that physically handwriting creates a stronger link to the brain and therefore offers more benefits than simply typing. However, digital journals can be more secure if you password protect them. Next, choose a cute journal that you actually want to pick up and write in. We like the Moleskine or Look Term ones linked below, but you could choose any that you like. Choose a nice pen. We love the LAMY-Safari-Rollerball or Moleskine pens linked below, but again, choose one that you like. Step 2. Create a cozy journaling space. The place where you journal matters. You want it to be somewhere quiet, clean, declutter-free, and inspiring for you. Somewhere where you want to be, and will turn up there regularly. When you journal, make yourself a lovely drink, light a candle, maybe put some nice ambient background music and make it enjoyable. But remember, don't restrict yourself. You should feel free to journal wherever and whenever you feel like it. Journaling away from your usual daily places can give you greater perspective. Think cafes, at the beach, on vacation, or you could even give yourself a specific retreat day to gain clarity on your thoughts. Step 3. Journal regularly. Consistency is more important than how long you journal for. Journaling should be at least once a week for at least 15 minutes. Ideally building up to a daily habit of 30 minutes per day. Set a 15-minute timer to begin with, gradually increasing this over time. Start small and slow, but aim to be consistent. In the beginning, try to experiment with how and when you journal. For example, do you enjoy journaling in the morning or in the evening? Only by trying things out can you work out what works best for you, or maybe you prefer variety and like to do both. With consistent journaling, you will start to see the benefits after just a few weeks, with delayed benefits for up to 6 months later. Step 4. How to journal. There are lots of styles of journaling. Here we will briefly look at the 5 most common types of journaling styles. You could pick one or a few and alternate between them depending on your needs. Journaling Style 1. Expressive writing. This is where you simply write down anything and everything that comes into your head without editing yourself. This is great for improving your mental and emotional health by having a mental declutter and to gain perspective on situations. It is also a useful problem-solving tool. Journaling Style 2. Gratitude Journal. This is where at the beginning or at the end of the day you write down at least 3 things which you genuinely felt grateful for. These should not be things that you think you should be grateful for, but things which, when you look back at the feelings you experienced during the day, you felt genuinely happy and grateful for. It's very surprising how much of a positive effect this practice can have on your life. Many people report feeling happier, more excited, and having more energy after doing this practice consistently for a few weeks. Gratitude journaling shifts focus from what's wrong to what's going well, improving your overall mood and outlook on life. Journaling Style 3. Manifesting or scripting. This is where you think about the things you want in your life and write about them as though you have already achieved them. So, you might write about how you feel now that you have achieved your goals and how they improved your life. You might reminisce about the journey and describe how you achieved your goals and what obstacles you overcame. By doing this, you gain clarity and motivation and develop a roadmap which will help you to achieve your goals and make it a reality. Another method is to write a letter to your younger self about everything you have achieved. Tomorrow planning is another type of scripting where you write about your ideal tomorrow, next week, month, quarter, or year, and so on. You can script about special events or days like your perfect Christmas or your perfect birthday. Another scripting technique is to write a what-if journal where you allow yourself to fantasize about areas of your life and consider what would happen if everything worked out to plan. By doing this, you can identify limiting beliefs and write out the best-case scenario, which gives your subconscious mind the permission to see this as a reality and therefore to help you to achieve it. Journaling Style 4. Shadow work and prompts. If you Google or use an AI tool and search for shadow work prompts, it will suggest a list of questions which can help you process difficult events, including childhood trauma. This can help enormously with your mental and emotional health. Prompts can also be used for any topic, including self-discovery and goal achievement. Step 5. Reflect. It is important to regularly read back over your journal entries. This could be once a month or after a few journal entries. Regularly reading back over your journal entries helps you to spot patterns, develops your thoughts further, and helps you to plan. Bonus tip. If you need a little inspiration to get started, or maybe just some extra support or companionship, you could use some Journal With Me videos here on YouTube. Some of our favorite journaling YouTubers for inspiration include Carrie Walker, Seaweed Kisses, Overall Adventures, Abby Sai, and Megan Rhiannon. If you want to know more about all of the amazing benefits of journaling, check out our previous video on how journaling can change your life. We hope you found this video useful. If you did, maybe give it a like and consider subscribing if you haven't already, and let us know if you're ready to start your journaling journey. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.